Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can disable email notifications in WooCommerce. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply click WooCommerce here and then go to settings, and here you're gonna see payments, account privacy, email, whatever, and then click accounts privacy and emails, and here you're gonna see email notifications, and you can see right here that you got everything enabled, and you can just like click manage here and you can disable the email notification. So that's pretty much it, and this is how you can disable email notifications in WordPress WooCommerce. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.